HD lace, full lace, front box braid wig, cornrow. These are not oh, it's looking cute on the mannequin, but I don't know how it's gonna translate. Ignorant on top of ignorant. Hey, cousins, hey, it's your girl Mary Kay coming to you with us late today.
Hey.
Coming to you with us late today.
Let the church say subscribe.
I'm baking today, so that means I'm feeling ignorant on top of ignorant. So yeah, I'm feeling ignorant on top of ignorant, so I said I'm gonna bake today. So while this stuff is setting, I'm just gonna tell you what I'm doing today. Y'all remember that wig I did a while ago and y'all sold it out in like 10 minutes, and then it came back to them, and then y'all sold it out again in 10 minutes? Well, they working on restocking. They tell me we've connected, okay? But they have another wig that I wanted to try. So I was like, oh, now it's looking cute on the mannequin, but I don't know how it's gonna translate. I want you to know something, okay? I'm real excited in my mind, but because I'm baking and I don't want a whole bunch of extra lines, I can't really show y'all my expression. So that's why I can't show y'all expression. But I want y'all to know that I'm very excited about this. Let me show you what it is.
Y'all got to hurry up before I get too bad.
Okay, y'all. So this is from the Avella store. And this is a full lace braided wig, 36-inch HD lace, full lace front box braid wig, glueless, knotless, cornrow. These are not braids, afro. Okay, listen, let's work on these descriptions, okay? Let's work on it, because this done been a full lace, a lace front, a cornrow braid wig, a afro braid wig. It's been all of the things, okay? And no, let's work on these descriptions because we are confused out here about what it is. It has 3 combs. They give you some grown woman hair. It's synthetic. It has an elastic in the back, so I'm assuming they did say glueless in the description, but honey, they said a whole lot in the description. We don't know until we try. That's why I do these things, honey. I just wanted to let y'all know this from Amazon. We're gonna try it out, y'all. You already liked their first wig, loved it. I will let you know when it's back in stock, you guys. I always check. I also told them to keep me abreast of it. They're working on it, but I always check myself, so I will let you guys know.
Y'all get active on the community tab,
and you'll know what's going on, okay? I'm gonna try this. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can join the family and join the fun. Huh? Because we on our way to 400K, you feel me? Let's try this braid wig. Hold a minute.
You never feel the way I feel. You don't know if my love is real. Baby, listen to me, here's the deal. When you're not here, I'm not the same. I'm reading a new chapter, babe. Been stuck here in a bed for days. I've been staring at the telephone. I could take a break from this world. Running on a hamster wheel, but searching for something I can't feel. I just wanna be a lost girl and fly. Take a breath, feel my wings spread, levitate above the ground and make eye contact with clouds. Now I'm rising, I'm soaring above it all. I just wanna be free. Finally, finally, finally. I wanna be free. Finally, finally, finally. I wanna be free. Finally, finally, finally. I wanna be free. Finally, 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 finally. I always daydreaming, never imagined I lose my spark. Living in this crazy time, putting back the pieces of my mind. I